One Sunday morning was finding it quite lazy to cook. Was thinking what to do today. So just started with a cup of tea. We start by putting oil in a heated pan and add cumin seeds to it. Meanwhile, we'll chop the onion, ginger, garlic and green chilies and keep it aside. I'm preparing tea on low flame so that it will be ready by the time I prepare the breakfast. We start by adding chopped garlic into the pan. Gradually, we'll be adding the ginger, green chilies and onion one after the other. I had soaked moong dal to make sprouts for making salad, but it did not turn out well, so just planned to make a stir fry out of it. Saute the ingredients in the pan until the onions are light pink and the garlic has browned a little. Add a little salt. Now the onions have become pink and we'll add the sprouts. The moong beans has not sprouted well, so that's why I am making a stir fry out of it. These moong beans will taste delicious and very minimum spices have been used in the ingredient apart from onion, ginger, garlic and green chilies. And I'll be adding an egg to have an extra protein to it. Add pepper. You can add a little cumin powder. I am breaking the egg directly in the center of the pan and I will just stir fry it. So easy and very delicious recipe for a Sunday breakfast. You can try it out and see how it tastes good. The tea is also ready. I have switched off the flame. No need to take out pile of utensils. You can just cook in one pan. That reduces the amount of cleaning utensils on a Sunday morning, and that too on a lazy day. See how the eggs mixes up with the moong beans and it looks so delicious. I have used little oil, so you can see there is no oil remaining in the pan. You just need to scrape the eggs which is sticking to the bottom of the pan. It will not burn. Switch off the flame and it's ready to serve. You can add some garam masala at the end and it is optional. It just enhances the taste of the moong beans. Now we'll strain the tea and keep it aside. I'm waiting for my hubby to come from his exercise regime and then we'll have it together. I cannot have piping hot tea, so I'll wait for him. The moong and tea is ready. Now we will roast some bread. We'll add a little butter to it. The butter is chilled, so I have put it upon the bread so that it will melt and it will easily spread. By the time my hubby arrived, the breakfast would be ready. Even the simplest breakfast takes a lot of effort. I hope my hubby loves it. Finally, my breakfast is ready and it is ready to be served. Isn't it looking delicious? So now I am off to take my breakfast and enjoy my Sunday morning along with my hubby. Thanks for watching.